So today is a very special day, and we are very excited. Our daughter and our granddaughter are coming in for a week. Actually, it's going to be a very exciting week. We're going to be spending the whole week at Rocky Mountain National Park, at Estes Park, and we're really excited. We're on the way to the airport right now to pick them up and just squeeze them, kiss them, and all kinds of good stuff. Really excited to see them. We made it to Alpine Visitor Center. It is about 12:30 in the afternoon, and it is 52 degrees up here. It's beautiful, it's comfortable, and I got a jacket on. It's amazing. Time for lunch. So we are at Rocky Mountain National Park, and we just went around Bear Lake, and now we're going to go to Alberta Falls. Best thing, having my daughter with me. Say hi.
Hello.
How'd you get a boo-boo?
Cause I was playing golf with you, then I fell.
Yeah, you fell down? Oh, is that when you slipped and fell on your butt?
Mm-hmm.
Boom!
Boom chakalaka.
Boom chakalaka. We made it to the top of Deer Mountain, Rocky Mountain National Park. About a 1,000-foot difference in elevation. It took us an hour and a half to go 3 miles. I'm assuming it's going to take us about an hour to go down. But unfortunately, the California smoke and the Colorado smoke from the fires is kind of dampened, a little winded the view up here, but it's still spectacular to be up here. Was it good? Did you see any animals?
I got one deer.
You saw one deer?
Uh-huh.
A baby deer or a big deer? Big deer.
No, a small deer.
Yeah, you saw a small deer?
Yeah.
Wow.
Did you see the chipmunks?